The common goal of everything I do, it's to improve people's lives. That's what I care about. Our practice in this office is primarily in entertainment, hospitality, and urban design master planning. If it's the building, it's the architect's. If it's outside the building, then it's mine. Having BIM software that's geared specifically towards doing landscape architecture is absolutely essential for doing the kind of work that I'm doing. I think the future of BIM for landscape architecture is doing it. It is absolutely the way that the architecture industry is going, and we need to have a way to work with them. You know, they have to understand what you need from them and what you're going to give them.
We always strive to be well coordinated, and that's one of the things that working with Todd has brought to the table. Historically, we're used to having to coordinate a 2D drawing with our 3D model, and now we are able to blend the landscape 3D model into our architectural 3D model.
I can show it to them in 3D, and I didn't have to do an entirely different rendering. My rendering comes out of my construction document. I can show them what it's going to look like. You can keep track of costs as you're doing them. It's counting all the plants for you, and you've got a database of those plants, and it'll tell you what your running total is as you're doing the designs.
We've relied on Vectorworks to see the whole environment as one piece. So we'll export our Revit model, bring it into Vectorworks, and we're able to step back from the building and see what it looks like in its greater context. And having a 3D component to our projects on the landscape side has really elevated our ability to coordinate.
I feel like it's like an intelligent outgrowth of what I've been doing my entire career. Started out drawing by hand. Well, I can still do that now, and I can tilt the whole thing up into 3D and show the client and the owner and whomever what it is that we're doing, and they get it right away because it's something that it's completely understandable by everybody. I've been doing this for a long time, and there just aren't that many options for doing landscape architecture with tools that are made to do that. I think Vectorworks has absolutely grown with the times and with us as a profession. You know, if we're just using the tools that everybody else tells us to use and they aren't helping us do a better job, I don't know that that's a good place for our industry to go. As long as we can share the information, it shouldn't matter what software I'm using. For us to be able to do this in Vectorworks, that makes a difference.